This is the one thing you need before you start your YouTube channel. If you're someone who has a book, a new business, you are selling courses, or you just want to be that go-to expert in your industry, showing up on camera is essential. And this channel is going to help you do just that. I have 20 plus years experience in television news, and I'm applying everything I've learned to this channel to help you. I do not use scripts in a lot of these videos, so if I'm off the cuff, that's why. I come into it with a topic. So today we're going to talk about batch recording. If you are a thought leader and you want to start showing up on camera consistently, here's what I do. I think through all the topics that I really want to get to in one session, and then I record a conversation or a monologue, really, on each topic in one sitting. So this may take you 2 hours. It could take you 4 hours. It depends on what you need to prepare. See, for me, I just need a topic. I know my content right now. I feel real good and I could just show up. But before, I would basically structure out an entire script. I would highly recommend that you go into ChatGPT. Let's do that together. So I would assume that you've already given ChatGPT your expert bio, but if you haven't, you would say, I'm just going to put this here in text. Give ChatGPT your expert bio. And if you don't already have one, ask it to make your expert bio, okay? So after you've put your expert bio into ChatGPT, you should then ask, okay, I want to show up. So chat, I want to show, oh wait, I already have a YouTube one. So let's go to my YouTube one. Well, be me. Instead of a real estate agent, I'm going to be me. Okay. I want to show up on, what did I say? On YouTube daily. What are maybe 5 issues people have with showing up on camera that I could discuss? All right, so this is for me. Just put that in, and then you ask ChatGPT for a few ideas, few suggestions, and they'll spit them out. Now, a lot of the times, I don't really go with what they suggest. I do my own thing, which is what I'm doing right now. But it really helps if you are trying to batch record. So if you say you may not use chat, you may use another AI. As long as it knows who you are, it needs to know your expert bio, what you want to focus on. If you're someone who wants to really talk about lifestyle, but you're a real estate agent, you need to let your chat or your Claude know what you're going to talk about. But then I would ask it for topics. Like if I'm going to do daily conversations with my expertise in mind, what would you suggest? And what I love is that ChatGPT now really helps me structure out my talks when I'm doing the long form content, but it also gives me some great ideas for these. Now, I haven't done this yet for this series because this is only video 2, and the first one I just went off the cuff. And now this one, I wanted to start off with batch recording and to show you how I do it. I'm going to use these Think Like a Producer dailies to be very transparent. I am testing out on social media. I'm testing out on YouTube. And I figured I should be sharing with you so we can potentially grow together, learn from one another. So if you're also testing things out on YouTube or Instagram, LinkedIn, reply below and let us know, like, what are you learning? What methods help you? So let's see. It says here, I should talk about, let's see. I hate how I look and sound on camera. Okay, that could be an episode. If you guys want that, I could do that. I don't want to sound salesy. I don't want to sound salesy either. So I do have tips for that. So maybe I will do a video on that. Okay. What if people judge me? Fear of exposure. Well, that isn't really my specialty. I am not someone who you want to come to for confidence building. I'm someone who's giving you the tools so you become more confident creating content. So chat isn't really giving me some great ideas here, but let's keep looking. I don't have the right setup. Okay, perfect. So I will make sure in this first series to provide you with a look at what my setup is for one of the videos. I am going to record a video on the couch, so that's what I'll do for that one. I'll just make that decision now. But for the rest of the videos, I've already decided to share. I'll get to some of those, but I've already decided to share my thoughts on Substack, as well as my frameworks. So I do have some frameworks that I think are essential. It's what you really need before you start creating content. So I think batch recording is essential, but you can't really batch record until you know your what. Okay? What stands for who, how, approach, and transformation. If you don't know your what, it's really hard to batch record. It's really hard to show up. So the W is for who. Who are you talking to? Who is your audience? And who are you as a person? Okay. I go about this in my visibility program, and you can check that out on my website, oncamready.com. I may even do more of that here on the YouTube channel, but I help clients really figure out their pillars. Like, what are their content pillars? In marketing, it's all about what are the pillars? What are your marketing pillars? But for me, it's what are your content pillars? I had this one client she's a real estate agent. She was also riding, what are they called? Four-wheelers through the mud. She has horses. She's a mom, and she really wanted to be more of who she was on camera, on social media. So I said, those are your pillars. Now you need to create content with those in mind. If you want to be riding horses, maybe you ride a horse on a property. And so she started to do that. Now she has tremendous engagement. It's all about identifying the content you can create that can support your mission and also lift you up as a person, as an expert. So that's your W. How do you want to show up? I'm a video producer, so I'm showing up here on YouTube. Makes the most sense, right? You need to know where your audience is and how they best communicate with their own clients. You also want to know how they respond to certain types of videos or text. Are they people who read newsletters? Are they on LinkedIn, Substack, YouTube? You need to know where your people are. So really think about who you're talking to and where they're showing up. My ideal client is likely on LinkedIn. So I'm putting a lot here on YouTube, but I'm really going to be investing in social media on LinkedIn to help build that up in addition to YouTube. Instagram, that's really my business card right now. That's my community building. Like, I want to keep my friends. I want to build more relationships. Everyone always asks, oh, what's your Instagram? So I'm going to keep that active. And I'm going to have clips on Instagram for the podcasts. But that's not my primary. I could make it TikTok, but again, I don't think my audience is on TikTok. I think my audience is mostly on YouTube, looking for how do I market my business? How do I create a digital marketing platform? How do I sell myself? How do I prepare for a media interview? You get what I'm saying? Well, I don't think they're really asking that on Instagram. So you really need to know where your people are and how you can best communicate with them. You also need to know your approach, how best to approach them. Is it better to approach them through carousels, videos, newsletters? Like, you need to know your approach and what works best for you. And then the transformation. What are you going to offer people? They can't just come to your content and be like, oh, cool, she's a producer. No, they need to leave with something. So for this video, I want you to leave with thinking about your why. Why are you showing up online? Why do you want to show up? And what is it all about? Who, how, your approach, and the transformation you plan to offer listeners who are either coming to you for your podcast or watching you on YouTube. When you start getting that and you know it, you will find your people, you will connect with your following, and you will create powerful content. Before you go, check out my podcast, Unknown to Known, where I interview television personalities, YouTubers, and influencers to help you show up confidently on camera. See ya.